Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit avatar created on Instagram. First thing you do is open up your Instagram app, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on your picture icon at the top, tap on add profile photo, then choose the avatar which is at the right. Then you can see add to profile picture is already on. Tap on edit avatar. So open up the avatar you created and then you can edit the style. You can see everything free of charge. You can decide to dress her like this instead. So I've edited the style. You can even decide to change her hair. Choose the hair you like. You can even decide to change eyebrows. You can decide to give her facial hair. That's weird, I know, but feeling the vibe. This looks good. So go back to the hair, the hairstyle. Might change it, make it look weirder. Yep. And then just having fun with it. Okay, so I can decide to change skin tone, body type. It looks like a man. Okay, so I want this one, and I tap on save. I can save my update, so I can continue editing, so I decided to save my update. And that's it, my avatar been updated. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this.